Hi, fifth grade. So you guys just showed me all of your knowledge looking at volume. You guys first started off counting cubes to figure out the volume of an object. You then moved on to looking at layers and thinking how many cubes are in one layer and how many layers are there in this entire object. You then went on to think about volume as an equation. I can find volume by looking at the base area of an object and multiplying by how tall it is or how high it goes. You also found that you could use the equation of length times width times height to figure out volume. Volume is the amount of space a 3D object can take up. So I'm going to use volume to measure things like a bookshelf. If I have a little bit of space left in my room and a bookshelf that measures a certain area, will it fit? This is my bookshelf. And I'm going to remind myself, I'm going to ask, will it fit? Ooh. Okay. You can do this with other things too. Like if I have a desk, okay, I have a desk and in it, there is a drawer. I want to be able to put all of my notebooks in this one drawer. So I have to think, what is the volume of each notebook? And will they fit in my drawer? Okay. But sometimes finding the volume isn't what we truly need. Remember, volume is the amount of space an object takes up. It's asking the question, will it fit? Okay. But what about a cup of water? A cup of water is a three-dimensional object. It has length, width, and height. So it is three-dimensional and it is solid. And a cup does take up space. So I could find the volume of a cup. But the volume only tells me the amount of space it has. What I need is to find capacity, which is how much an object can hold. When I'm looking at a cup of water, I don't need to know how much volume it is. I need to know how much is inside of it, or how much can it hold. What else would I need to use capacity for? I could use it for a bowl of soup. I could use it for a candy bag. I don't want to know how the volume of the bag. I want to know the capacity or how much I can put in that bag.